Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to sew a walking skirt. Download the free pattern linked in the description and use it to cut out your fabric pieces. Pin the side panel skirt pieces to the center front panel pieces and sew. Pin the back panels to the side panels, right sides together, and sew. Fold the skirt right sides together, aligning the raw edges of the back panel. Measure and mark 8 inches for the placket. Sew from the mark made for the placket to the hem of the skirt. Fold the placket in half and find its center. Pin the center to the back skirt seam so that the right side of the placket is touching the wrong side of the skirt. Pin the placket along the opening. Sew in place. Fold the placket towards the right side of the skirt. Fold the placket over by 1/2 inch, wrong sides together, then fold again until it touches the seam line. The raw edges of the skirt will now be fully enclosed. Sew the placket to the skirt 1/8 inch from the folded edge. Sew a gathering stitch in the back panel of the skirt. Leave long threads to allow you to gather the skirt panel. Repeat for the other side. Fold the skirt in half and mark the center point. Fold the waistband in half and mark the center point. Measure 1/2 of an inch from the edge of the waistband and pin it to the skirt so that 1/2 of an inch hangs off the edge of the skirt. From the middle of the skirt, keep pinning the waistband towards the end of the skirt. You will find that there is extra fabric on the back panel. Pull the gathering threads in the back panel so that the back panel fits to the waistband of the skirt. Pin to secure. If you are enjoying this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button. One side of the placket needs to be turned under to ensure the placket closes properly. To do this, ensure that the right-hand side of the placket is turned towards the wrong side of the skirt. Sew the waistband to the skirt. For the left-hand side of the skirt, the placket will not be turned. Before you sew the waistband to the skirt, Double-check that you have a 1/2 inch overhang of the waistband on both ends of the skirt. Sew the waistband to the skirt. Fold the waistband right sides together. Flip the seam allowance of the waistband up and pin. Sew the short end of the waistband. Clip the corners. Flip the short end of the waistband so that it is right side out. The finished short end of the waistband should be in line with the edge of the skirt. Fold under the seam allowance of the waistband. Pin the waistband to the skirt, covering the raw edges of the seam. Sew the waistband in place. I suggest trying on the skirt to ensure the proper position of the button and buttonhole. Also check that you did the placket properly. It should close without any gaping, and the placket should be hidden. Sew a button on the left-hand side of the placket. Make a vertical buttonhole on the left-hand side of the skirt. Double fold the hem of the skirt and sew. And that's it! Now you know how to sew a walking skirt. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all our great sewing content. We have lots of clothing sewing projects, bags, kitchen sewing projects, and other fun items you can make. Thanks for watching.